In this quick and easy step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to tint your eyebrows. Begin by brushing your hairs in place. You want to then grab a light concealer or any white makeup paste. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 10. The lighter the shade, the better. Grab your slanted brush. We're going to map our brows before tinting. This is going to ensure we place the tint exactly where it needs to be to create a really nice finish. I created a detailed video on how to map your brows. If you're wanting to learn more about this technique, I have left the link in the description down below for you. I'm going in with my BronSun Dark Brown Tint and Brow Tint Developer. You want to place 50-50 of each product, mix well and begin placing the tint starting just above the mapping line, starting in the middle of the brow. Use a small amount as you go. A few tips is to stamp the product into the skin and then brush the tint into the skin. Use a small amount or whatever is left on the brush to buff the product in the inner part of the brow. You don't want to put too much product from the inner part because you don't want the brows to turn out really bulky. We want to keep the brows looking as natural as possible, yet filled in and having a nice contour. Do this step for both brows. Go in with your eyebrow brush and start from the inner part of the brows first, blend the product and work your way to the tail. If you find that the product went above the mapping line, go in with a brush and clean up the area by gliding the brush against the mapping line to ensure you remove what's needed. For fair to light skin, I would leave the tint on for about 2 to 4 minutes. For medium to dark skin, I would leave it on for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once complete, use water or micellar water to gently remove the tint. Complete with your favorite makeup routine and you're all done. If there is any videos you guys would like me to create, please let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. If you watched to the end, thank you very much, and I will see you guys all in my next video.